Welcome back, guys. I got a big problem. My little SI broke the transmission again. I think second gear went again. So that's the project we gotta do today. We gotta bring this transmission down, open it up, see what really what happened in there. So I already know what happened because it happened to me before. Second gear gone. Might need a main shaft, second gear, and I don't know what else I need. I'll let you guys know when I open it up. You see it. So yeah, that's what we currently doing on a Sunday, rainy, cold day. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, guys, I got intern.
Se me zafó de las manos, papi.
It's okay. Got an intern George. He said he wants to learn how to work with Hondas. I'm gonna put him to do some work. So far, it's going slow.
Original pink.
The job is going slow, but one way or another, that transmission is coming down today. I got this bad boy here. It's not ready yet. Probably for the summer. For the summer. Okay, guys, update. We got almost everything off. Subframe is off. Bada bing, bada boom. We just got to take out that motor mount. And the C3 transmission is down. We're going to open it up. See what really went bad. So, let's get to it. One missing, I wonder who it was. Oh, these shit are loose. I'm sweating, no wonder it used to leak.
I told you.
Damn, yo. I guess I ain't tightened up last night.
He tied up the whole car. Except the transmission.
What the fuck is this 7? My hand. You ready, guys? I'm scared. Whee. Damn, look at that shot. I can see it from here. You see that shit from here again. You see it? Second gear. Look, second gear right there. You see the teeth? Damn, look. All shoot up, and look at the other one. The main shaft. You see the main shaft abajo? It's all chewed up. You see the main shaft? Yeah. All chewed up there. So obviously you see the second gear how it goes? Ain't got no grip. The other one got grip. Alright, so taking more apart. This happened to me before, so when I was in second gear and it snapped, I already knew what it was. So I guess tear it apart, buy the main shaft, the second gear. Maybe I might just put all the synchros again brand new. I got a whole bunch of parts there from the engine I'm doing, so I can take that and replace it after. So we'll take it apart, guys. Right. Pésalo, cabrón. Tanto gym y no puedo levantar. So much gym. Ay, ay, ay. 27. Put this shit here. They all look good. Not that fucked up. So, yeah. The babies look good. I don't even know to replace everything though. Definitely gotta clean it. That LSD. I throw the LSD. And look at this shit right here, look. You see those teeth on the gears? All of them are gone. Oh my god. In second gear, so yeah, whatever. Guess. Fix it again and keep whipping it. So yeah, I'll keep you posted in the other part. When I put it all together, see how it's running. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, thumbs up. I don't know what else I forgot. Peace. Alright guys, so the problem is even worse. Basically, main shaft, I gotta replace the main shaft. Final dry, look. The final dry, snap a tooth there, and there's another part that is bent. So I need a final dry, the main shaft and the other shaft. But this one is all broken up, two here. I guess I'm one hell of a driver. I can't shift, that's why I keep messing up second gear. Oh yeah, this is